YouTubers, this is a continuation of my video documenting my uh, server room, crypto mining room. So, so I have this switch that I have before when I used to be in my old house. Uh, this is a SG300 from Cisco, and it is a managed switch, and it has two fibers. This fiber optic is connected to my room to a SG200 or a 10 port switch, um, which hook up all my devices at my room, in my bedroom. That includes my work laptop and personal laptop, and VoIP phones, OV 110, which connects my Google Voice through a desktop phone. We'll talk about that later. But anyway, this is I am going to use to hook up all the crypto miners or the data mining rig that I will build soon. So, I'll give you a quick 360-degree view. So I have all my tables here, and this is my work table where will I do some hardware stuff. Okay, so basically it's a small room, and then I have that. Oh, by the way, I have that smart TV there. This was the room before. Uh, I'm running an Airbnb before, and then now I stop it, and I'm gonna use this room for that mining room or for my mining rigs or crypto mining rigs. Okay, so I have this window type air conditioning. So I got the blinds here. So eventually I'm gonna probably cover it with dark or windows with uh, tint, just to block away the heat, because it will be hot in the summertime here in Arizona. So I just got an Alexa here, so it controls my light, and I still kind of programming it. It's a new, so I just did it last night. So oh, I by the way, I have two-way radios too, amateur band. I'm a licensed. I am FCC licensed. The call sign is KJ7POL. All right, so this one is a rubber mat that I bought from Amazon. I'll put a description below. And this is good in when you open up devices, whatever. So this is episode 2 of my DIY room for my data mining rigs. So I will see you in the next episode.